See here. A toy is in the form of a cone mounted on a hemisphere of the same radius. Mounted on a hemisphere of a same radius. For cone and for hemisphere, and the same radius is equal to 3.5 r, that is a r is equal to radius of a cone, that is 3.5 centimeter, and hemisphere radius is also 3.5 centimeter. Total height of the cone, that is equal to 15.5 centimeter. Total height of the toy, that is 15.5 centimeter. Therefore, find the height of the cone. That is a radius of the cone. Radius, that is a radius of a hemisphere. So height of a cone, that is equal to 15.5 minus r. That is 15.5 minus, that is a radius of a hemisphere, minus r. And what is the value of r? R is equal to 3.5, that is height of the cone is 12 centimeter. And to find the surface area of the toy. सरफेस एरिया टॉय का फाइंड करना, तो सबसे पहले हमें स्लैंट हाइट फाइंड करनी पड़ेगी, अंडर रूट एच स्क्वायर प्लस आर स्क्वायर, दैट इज अ स्लैंट हाइट. हमारे पास स्लैंट हाइट होनी चाहिए. ओके, स्लैंट हाइट दैट इज एल इज इक्वल टू एच स्क्वायर प्लस आर स्क्वायर. एच इज इक्वल टू 12 स्क्वायर प्लस 3.5 होल स्क्वायर. 12 स्क्वायर इज 144 प्लस 12.25, 156.25, and square root of 156.25, that is equal to 12.5 centimeter. Okay, square root of 25, that is 5, and smallest perfect square number less than 156, that is equal to 144. 144 square root is 12, that is 12.5. Okay. Therefore, find the curve surface area of a toy, that is equal to curve surface area of a cone plus curve surface area of a hemisphere. Curve surface area of a cone, that is equal to pi r l plus 2 pi r square. IRL plus 2 pi r square. Pi, here pi and r is common, that is equal into bracket L plus 2r. What is the value of pi? Is 22 by 7. R is equal to 3.5, that is equal to same as 7 by 2 centimeter. L plus 2r, L is equal to 12.5 plus 2 into r is equal to 7 by 2. 7 cut to 11 sa 11 into bracket 12.5 plus 7. 12.5 plus 7, that is equal to 19.5 into 11 into 19.5, that is equal to 5 as it is. 4 1 or 1 plus 1 2, that is equal to 214.5 centimeter square, that is a total कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ ए टॉय. मींस बाउंड्री का एरिया कितना होगा? कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ ए टॉय इज 214.5 centimeter square. Question number 4. A cubical block of size 7 centimeter is surmounted by a hemisphere. Cubical block, that is a cubical block surmounted on a hemisphere. A cubical block of size 7 centimeter is surmounted by a hemisphere. Age is 7 centimeter. Length, breadth and height is 7 centimeter. What is the greatest diameter of the hemisphere can have? सबसे ज्यादा उसका डायमीटर कितना होगा? तो यहाँ पे ऊपर हम कंस्ट्रक्ट कर सकते हैं. तो मैक्सिमम डायमीटर ऑफ द हेमिस्फीयर दैट इज इक्वल टू 7 सेंटीमीटर. That is equal to age of the cube. Okay, for cube and for hemisphere. Okay, for cube side is equal to L, that is equal to 7 centimeter, and maximum diameter. Therefore, the maximum diameter of a hemisphere that is equal to D is equal to 7 centimeter. That is equal to age of the cube. It is same as age of the cube. Age of a cube. Okay. Side is L is equal to 7 centimeter. Diameter is 7 centimeter. What is the radius of the hemisphere? That is equal to half of the diameter. Okay. And find the surface area of the solid. Surface area of the solid means surface area of a cube plus surface area of a hemisphere. Therefore, surface area of a solid that is equal to total surface area of a cube plus curved surface area of a hemisphere माइनस क्या होगा उसका बेस एरिया ऑफ द हेमिस्फीयर माइनस बेस एरिया ऑफ ए हेमिस्फीयर दैट इज इक्वल टू 6L स्क्वायर प्लस 2πr स्क्वायर माइनस πr स्क्वायर 2πr स्क्वायर माइनस πr स्क्वायर दैट इज इक्वल टू πr स्क्वायर 6 into age is equal to 7 square. 22 by 7. R is equal to 7 by 2 multiply 7 by 2. Okay. 7 cancel. 2 11 ja 22. 7 square 49. 6 multiply 49 plus 77 by 2. That is 294 plus 38.5. Okay. That is equal to 0.5, 8 plus 4, 12, 1, 30 plus 3, 33. That is equal to 332.5 centimeter square. That is a surface area of a solid. A hemispherical depression is cut out from the one face of the cubical wooden block. That is a cubical wooden box and is cut out the depression of the hemisphere. हमने अंदर का एक पार्ट कट कर दिया है हेमिस्फीयर का पार्ट. ओके. ए cubical box, a hemispherical depression is cut out from the one face of the cubical wooden block. ऊपर के फेस से मैंने अंदर की साइड एक कट कर दिया है. And that diameter L of the hemisphere is equal to the age of the cube. That is the age of the cube is L, length, breadth and height is L, and here diameter is also L. Diameter is also equal to L. Determine the surface area of the remaining solid. There are two shapes, for hemisphere and for cube. For cube. Diameter of the hemisphere that is equal to L centimeter. Therefore, radius is equal to L by 2 centimeter. And the cubical age is equal to side L. That is equal to L centimeter. Okay. Find the surface area of the remaining solid. Surface area of the remaining solid that is equal to total surface area of a cubical block प्लस इसका एरिया हमने कट कर दिया प्लस कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ ए हेमिस्फीयर माइनस बेस एरिया इज द सर्कल माइनस बेस एरिया ऑफ ए हेमिस्फीयर। ए पार्ट दो बार आएगा, बेस एरिया ऑफ द हेमिस्फीयर क्यूबिक टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ ए क्यूब में भी आएगा और कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर में भी आएगा। इसीलिए ए पार्ट हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, सब्सट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा। तो टोटल सरफेस एरिया of a cube that is equal to age is capital L, that is equal to L centimeter 6L square plus curve surface area of hemisphere that is 2 pi r square minus base area of a hemisphere is pi r square, that is a circle base area, that is a circle 6L square plus pi r square capital L that is equal to L 6L square plus pi as it is, r is equal to L by 2 whole square, 6L square plus pi L square by 4, L by 2 whole square that is L square by 4, and here take LCM, L square is common, 6 by pi by 4 that is equal to L square 6 4 are 24 plus pi whole divided by 4 that is equal to L square by 4 pi plus 24 centimeter square, that is the surface area of the remaining solid. Okay, surface area of the remaining solid. A medicinal capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its end. That is a cylindrical shape, two hemispherical end. That is the shape of the capsule. Two hemispherical end. The length of the entire capsule is 14 millimeter. That is a 14 millimeter. Length of the entire capsule is 14 millimeter. And the diameter of the capsule is 5 millimeter. That is the diameter of the capsule. And that is 5 millimeter. Okay. There are two steps. Find its surface area. Find its surface area for cylinder and for hemisphere. For cylinder shape, here radius, both diameter is 5 millimeter. Both diameter is 5 millimeter. Therefore, radius of the hemisphere is 5 by 2 millimeter. That is the radius of the hemisphere. Both are radius of the hemisphere. Then find the height of the cylinder. Find the height of the cylinder. Here also r is equal to 5 by 2 millimeter. Diameter is 5 millimeter. Therefore, radius is 5 by 2 millimeter. Okay. What is the length of the cylinder? That means height of the cylinder. That is equal to h, and that is equal to 2.5 means 5 by 2. That is r, and that is another r. R plus r, that is 2r. 14 minus 2r. 14 minus 2r. 2r, that is equal to d. 14 minus d, that is equal to 14 minus 5, that is equal to 9 millimeter. 9 millimeter is the height of the cylinder. Okay, height of the cylinder. Therefore, here find the surface area of a capsule. Find the surface area of a capsule. Surface area of a medical capsule. Medicine capsule, that is equal to curve surface area of a cylinder plus two hemispherical end plus 2 multiply curved surface area of hemisphere. To multiply curved surface area of hemisphere. Curved surface area of a cylinder 2 pi RH plus 2 multiply curved surface area of hemisphere, that is equal to 2 pi r square. 2 pi r is common, remaining term is h and 2r, h plus 2r. Substitute the value. Pi is equal to 22 by 7, r is equal to 5 by 2, h plus 2r, h is equal to 9 plus 2 multiply 5 by 2. 2 cut, 2 cut. 22 5 is 110 divided by 7 multiply 9 plus 5. And 9 plus 5, that is equal to 14 divided by 7. 7 2 is 14. Therefore, 110 into 2, 220 centimeters square. Therefore, surface area of a medicine capsule, that is equal to 220 centimeter square.
सर माइक बंद है.
Note that the base here, a tent is in the shape of the cylinder surmounted by a conical top. If the height and the diameter of the cylindrical part is height is equal to 2.1 meter and the diameter is equal to 4 meter respectively, and the slant height of a cone, that is L, is equal to 2.8 meter. Find the area of the canvas used for making the tent. Find the cost of the canvas is rupees 500 per meter square. There are two shapes, for cylinder and for cone. First we write the dimension of the cone and cylinder. Dimension of the cone is, diameter is equal to 4 meter. Therefore, radius is equal to 2 meter. Slant height of a cone, that is equal to 2.8 meter. And the cylindrical part, diameter is 4 meter, radius is 2 meter. Height of the cylinder h is equal to 2.1 meter. Okay, so surface area of the canvas. Okay, surface area of a tent, that is equal to curved surface area of a cylinder plus कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ ए कॉन. यहाँ पे बेस इंक्लूडेड नहीं है, नोट्स में दिया है. ओके, बेस इंक्लूडेड नहीं है. बेस एरिया ऑफ द सिलेंडर इज नॉट इंक्लूडेड. ओके, कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द सिलेंडर, दैट इज 2 पाई आर एच प्लस कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ ए कॉन, दैट इज पाई आर एल. पाई आर इज कॉमन, into bracket 2h plus l. Okay, what is the value of pi? 22 by 7. R is equal to 2. 2 into h, h means 2.1. L slant height, that is equal to 2.8. Okay, तो 22 into 2, 44 by 7. 2.1 multiplied to that is 4.2 plus 2.8. 4.2 plus 2.8 that is equal to 7. That is equal to 7. 7.0. 7 7 cut. That is equal to 44 meter square. Area that we used the surface area of a tent. Surface area of a tent that is equal to surface area of a canvas. Okay. Therefore, surface area of a canvas used that is equal to 44 meter square. 1 meter square cost of a canvas that is equal to 500 rupees. 1 meter square cost of canvas that is equal to 500 rupees. Therefore, we used 44 meter square cost of canvas. 44 meter square cost of canvas. 44 multiply 500. That is equal to 22,000 rupees. The cost of the canvas is 22,000 rupees. Here, question number 8. From a solid cylinder means top and bottom दोनों अंदर solid है, means पूरा part cover है. From a solid cylinder, top part and bottom part means total surface area. Solid cylinder means total surface area, whose height is 2.4 centimeter. Height is 2.4 centimeter. That is a cylinder. Height of the cylinder is 2.4 centimeter and diameter is 1.4 centimeter. 1.4 centimeter. That is a diameter of the cylinder. A conical cavity of the same height and a same diameter is hollowed out. इसका मीनिंग क्या हुआ? हमने उसमें से कौन का पार्ट निकाल दिया है. होलोड आउट, इतना पार्ट हमने निकाल दिया. कौन का? सेम बेस एंड सेम हाइट, सेम डायमीटर एंड सेम हाइट. ओके, देयर आर टू सेम फॉर सिलेंडर एंड फॉर कॉन. Height of the cylinder is 2.8. It is same as height of the cone. Both height is 2.8 centimeter. Diameter is 1.4 centimeter. Diameter of cone is also 1.4. Therefore, radius is equal to 0.7 centimeter. R is 0.7 centimeter. हमने क्या किया है? पूरा सॉलिड है. सॉलिड मीन्स नीचे और टॉप दोनों की साइड से पूरा बंद है, क्लोज्ड है. ओके, तो फाइंड द टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द रिमेनिंग सॉलिड टू द नियरेस्ट सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. हमें उसका एरिया फाइंड करना